Tokyo, Japan. A city pulsating with life, innovation, and traditions as rich as its history. Known for its iconic skyline, bustling streets, and of course, the heartwarming aroma of ramen wafting through its alleys. Ramen came to Japan in the early 20th century and has become more than a dish. It's a cultural staple, a symphony of flavours that resonate with every Japanese heart. So here we are, surrounded by the neon-lit streets and busy corners, ready to immerse ourselves in the authentic Japanese experience. We're heading to the house of Yoshi and Amos, who will teach us how to make ramen the proper way. But first, breakfast. Served from a mini-mart, they have a crazy selection of pre-packaged food and microwaves for anything that needs to be heated. Australia could really learn a thing or two from this. We went down into the subway and began our journey from the city to the suburbs. Amos met us at the train station and took us to her home. Where we met Yoshi, the chef, and saw the plan for the morning. Our first task with the ramen, the eggs. We poked holes in the top, which helps peel them later. Meanwhile, Amos led us in assembling the dumplings. We cut up the ingredients and mixed it in with some pork and beef. We expertly pinched and folded the edges to create the perfect dumpling shape. Some turned out better than others.
Very good. Which one is mine?
Then we learnt about the ramen broth preparation, guided by Yoshi's expertise, which led us to the egg peeling competition. Yoshi came in strong with a 7.3 second peel. I gave it a red hot go, coming in at a dismal 10 seconds. Then Mel came through, flying colours, smashing out a new PB at 7 seconds, beating the chef. After some gloating, we moved on to making the noodles from scratch. Surprisingly easy with this noodle maker. We actually found it on Amazon and bought it right there. All you do is chuck in the ingredients, the machine mixes and spits them out, cut them to length, and they're ready to boil. The noodles are boiled in these little baskets, which helps make portions. In 3 minutes, they're ready to go. After that, we put the bowls together. First putting in the ramen sauce and some chicken skin oil, then the broth, and finally the toppings.
Wow.
The ramen turned out great. We were stoked with it. So here's to the art of ramen making, a timeless tradition that brings people together and celebrates the rich tapestry of Japanese cuisine. I'm Brandon, thanks for watching, see you next time.